Hey, this is Mark with FireBooth, and today we're going to talk about the DNP DS RX1 HS. It's a PhotoBooth dye sublimation printer. HS stands for high speed. You get 20% more output for your printer. Before it used to be 16 seconds, now it's 12 seconds, which is great news. We use these for our rentals, and we also provide this same printer for our customers. When you get your printer, you're going to want to use the 4x6 spool, and when you get your paper roll from your media kit, insert those two spools onto that paper, press tightly and firm, and make sure they're evenly aligned. And then you want to insert that paper roll with the spool into the printer. So once the paper is inserted, you're going to hear two beeps. That means your printer paper is good to go. You're going to insert the ribbon next. So one side's going to be yellow, the other side's going to be white. Match the teeth up on the left side, snap it in on the color-coded side, do the same thing on the bottom. Put those two in together, pull on the slack so it's kind of tight, and the ribbon should be all set to go. When you're all done with your paper and your ribbon, you want to close it all up, and you're going to notice it's going to spit up some paper. What that is just calibrating and realigning everything. So don't be alarmed when you see 10 sheets of paper pop out. You're not wasting paper. That's normal.